What's up everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to fix Roblox not launching. Now there are some options we're going to be showing you, so stick around to the end. There are 3 options we'd like to show you, and the first option is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. In order to do this, you can go over to your keyboard and tap on the Windows key. Type in remove, and here you're going to see add or remove programs. Click on it, and here under installed apps, you can search for Roblox. Right here we can see Roblox player. We can go over to the right and click on the 3 dots and click on uninstall. When we uninstall it, we can go ahead and install it again and try to see if it works. Another option is to run Roblox as an administrator. So we're going to tap on the Windows key, search for Roblox, and then we're going to come over to Roblox player. Right click on it, then click run as administrator. The third option is to try to clear some processes. You're going to make sure you close Roblox and then tap on the Windows key, search for task manager, click on it. Now we can see we're currently under processes and we're going to search for Roblox. Remember, your Roblox should be closed, and if it's closed and you're following this step, you can make sure that Roblox is not showing right here. So if it's showing, you just need to right click on it and click on end task for the first and the second if that's your case. We want to make sure that Roblox is not running as a process after we've closed it up. The goal of this is to refresh Roblox so we can start it again and it will work for us. If this video was helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.